Here's how to make your Instagram account private in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. When your account is private, only approved followers can see your posts, stories, and reels. This gives you more control over your privacy. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Account Privacy. Here you'll see the option to switch your account to private. Toggle on Private Account. Confirm when prompted. Your account is now private. New followers must send a request. Only approved followers can see your posts, stories, and follower list. You can also review followers, remove unwanted followers, and control who can message you for extra privacy. Business accounts cannot be private. You must switch to a personal account first. And that's it. You've successfully made your Instagram account private. Subscribe for more Instagram tips.